For as long as humans have looked up at the night sky, we believe the universe was still, calm, and eternal. Stars seemed fixed in place, galaxies looked frozen in time, and everything appeared to exist in a perfect, silent balance. But the truth is far more dramatic. The universe is anything but still. It is stretching, collapsing, twisting, and being pulled by forces so massive that even light itself struggles to escape their influence. Right now, at this very moment, our galaxy, the Milky Way, is on a journey. A journey we didn't choose, can't control, and can't escape. We're moving through space at unimaginable speeds, pulled, pushed, and guided by forces older than time itself. And the destination? A cosmic encounter so huge that it will rewrite the shape of our entire night sky. Our galaxy is approaching a massive spiral giant called Andromeda. It is the closest large galaxy to us, sitting about 2.5 million light-years away. That sounds like a safe distance, but on the scale of the universe, it's practically next door. And that gap is closing fast. Andromeda is moving toward us at 110 kilometers per second, faster than a bullet, faster than anything on Earth could ever hope to match. This isn't a slow drift. It's a gravitational race. Andromeda is huge, bigger than the Milky Way, with potentially 1 trillion stars. It stretches across 220,000 light-years, making it the largest member of our local group of galaxies. When you look at it through a telescope, it appears soft, distant, and harmless. But it's anything but harmless. It's on a direct collision course with us. Scientists estimate that in about 4 to 5 billion years, the two galaxies will meet. Not in an explosion, not like two rocks smashing together, but like two enormous storms blending and swirling around each other. Stars will be ripped from their orbits, flung into deep space, or captured by the gravitational pull of the opposite galaxy. Entire star systems, including ours, may be thrown into new orbits, hurled far from the galactic center, or pulled closer toward regions filled with radiation and energy. But even though this event sounds catastrophic, it won't look like a fiery explosion. The space between stars is so vast that almost no stars will physically collide. Instead, the galaxies will pass through each other like ghostly clouds, stretching into long tidal tails of light. Over millions of years, they'll swing around, collide again, and eventually merge into a new, enormous galaxy, an elliptical supergiant with a new shape, new structure, and new identity. Astronomers call this future galaxy Milkdromeda, or Milkomeda. The night sky during this future collision would be breathtaking. Instead of a faint, distant smudge, Andromeda would grow larger and larger until it dominates the entire sky, bright, glowing, and filled with countless stars. It would be a cosmic light show unfolding slowly over millions of years, too gradual for any one generation to witness, but undeniable on the scale of cosmic time. But here's where the story gets even more mysterious. The Milky Way and Andromeda are not simply heading toward each other randomly. They're dancing through a much larger cosmic structure, a vast region dominated by dark matter, invisible mass, and gravitational forces we barely understand. Our entire local group of galaxies, more than 50 galaxies including the Milky Way, is falling towards something much bigger. An invisible force known as the Great Attractor. The Great Attractor is one of the strangest mysteries in astrophysics. It isn't a star. It isn't a black hole. It isn't even a single galaxy. It's a gravitational anomaly hidden behind the dense central region of the Milky Way in a part of the sky known as the zone of avoidance. Because this region is blocked by dust, gas, and countless stars, we can't observe it directly. But we can measure its effects. And those effects are huge. Entire galaxy clusters are drifting toward the Great Attractor at more than 600 kilometers per second. That includes the Milky Way. That includes Andromeda. That includes everything around us. Imagine a force so strong that it drags galaxies across the universe, like leaves being pulled into a whirlpool. Some scientists once believed the Great Attractor was a single, incredibly massive cluster of galaxies. But later studies revealed something even larger. A cosmic superstructure called Laniakea, a supercluster so big that it contains about 100,000 galaxies, including ours. The Great Attractor appears to be a central gravitational basin within this supercluster, a region where gravity pulls everything inward. But then came the twist. Even the Great Attractor seems to be falling towards something beyond itself, a massive region called the Shapley supercluster, one of the most massive structures ever detected. And that might not be the end of it. The deeper we look, the more layers of cosmic flow and gravitational motion we discover, suggesting that the universe is full of unseen structures guiding the motion of entire galaxies. So, what does all this mean for the future? It means our galaxy isn't just drifting in space, it's part of a cosmic river of motion. We're being pulled by Andromeda, by the Great Attractor, by the Shapley supercluster, and by the overall expansion of the universe. Our position, our movement, and even our future shape is controlled by forces on a scale we can barely comprehend. One day, far beyond human history, the Milky Way will merge with Andromeda. The two galaxies will swirl, merge, and settle into a new form. Our solar system may be pushed to the outer edges or pulled closer to the galactic center. The night sky will change forever. And long after that, our entire region of space will continue drifting toward the Great Attractor, pulled across cosmic voids and rivers of dark matter. The universe is not still. It is alive. It is changing over time. And we are part of its story, a tiny chapter in a saga billions of years long. Every star you see in the night sky is moving. Every galaxy is falling toward something. And the Milky Way itself, the place we call home, is on a journey toward a collision and a gravitational mystery that will shape the future of our entire cosmic neighborhood. This is the story of Andromeda's approach, the Great Attractor, and the unstoppable forces sculpting the universe. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the Unscripted show for more incredible journeys into Earth's hidden wonders.